Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Can't log into Facebook? Don't worry. Here's how to fix Facebook login errors in just a few quick steps. First, check your internet connection and make sure the Facebook app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Second step, clear cache and data. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search for Facebook. Scroll down and go to Storage and tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This helps remove any login glitches. Third step, try browser login or password reset. For that, you need to go to www.facebook.com. And if you still can't, tap Forgot Password to reset your login details. Fourth step, reinstall Facebook app. This gives you a clean setup and usually fixes most login errors. And that's it. Your Facebook login should be working now. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.